Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the pressure switch on the side of this jet well pump. If you look closely here, this side looks different from this side. Part of the contact mechanism is missing, causing this pump to cycle on and off every couple seconds. So I'm going to be replacing it with a brand new pressure switch box. Pretty simple process. Make sure your power's off before you start. So there's two wires that come out of your pump and two wires coming out of the feed wire on my pump. I'm running 220 here, so I'm just detaching all the connections so I can pull this wire out of the box to put my new one on. Got to unhook the pressure line that comes out of the pump that the pressure switch reads to know when to turn on and off. I was able to keep my prime in the pump while I was doing this. The box is just attached with a regular electrical box nut that holds it on there. So here's the old box. Get a look at it. There's the wires coming out of the pump. Here's my new box. Identical to the old one. Mine's square D. So I just got to attach it to the pump, run the wires from the pump through the access hole, and then put my electrical box nut on there to hold it onto the pump. Tightening it up here. Reattaching my pressure line that runs to the front of the pump. Don't over tighten this. And now I'm just reattaching all the wires. Ground goes to the bottom of this box. And then one leg goes on the left side and one leg goes on the right side. And that's from the pump as well as from my power wire coming in from my house. I'm just finishing up connecting my wires, and then we'll give this thing a trial run. I'm just inserting my rubber grommet in to hold that wire in position. And while we were in here, I just went ahead and got a new pressure gauge for my pump. The old one was not working. Wasn't too big of a deal. Didn't even lose my prime doing this. So after tightening this back up, I put my box cover on. If you happen to need to adjust your pressure settings on the box, the directions are underneath the box cover. I'll show you here in a second. Everything was working great on this new pressure switch. So guys, hope you got something out of this video. I had company over, so I just filmed it and narrated it later. So good luck with all your projects.